So this is my Kawasaki Versys 650 2017 India model, and today I'm going to show you how to open and clean the ABS sensor. The front ABS sensor is located over here on the left hand side. You can see this wiring coming over here, and this is the ABS sensor with a Allen bolt. It is located, so I'm going to just open it, and the idea is that there might be some kind of dust and everything in the ABS sensor, so I plan to just clean this front ABS sensor and then go to the rear ABS sensor. The bike is a little bit dirty, but that shouldn't be much of a problem. I'll get it cleaned later on. Because of the lockdown situation, I was not able to properly maintain or clean. So this is the front ABS sensor. I'm going to open it up. So I have just removed the screw, and the ABS sensor will become free. See, the status of the ABS sensor is so dirty. I am going to just give it a wipe and a clean. Do not dip in any solution or anything. Just give it a good wipe, clean it up, and then again refix. This is the condition of the front ABS sensor. So what I did is I just cleaned it gently with a cloth, just little bit, rub it a little bit, cleaned it. And I also cleaned this kind of an put this cloth inside and then just give it a clean like this. You can clean inside, and the job is done, and again you refit this. Okay, so now the turn for the rear ABS sensor. The rear ABS sensor is located on the right side of the wheel. Here we need to open this Allen bolt, and this is the sensor. We'll just remove the sensor. It's just similar to what we did for the front one. So I'm going to just remove this and get back to you in a moment. So I just unscrewed this particular thing, this screw, and the ABS sensor just comes out like this over here. And you can see this is the rear ABS sensor. A lot of dust and a bit of muck would be there, and just give it a clean using a rag and just clean it up and again fit this back. So I have just cleaned it and again fit this rear ABS sensor. So the job is done. It will take hardly 10 minutes to clean both the sensors. Just remove all the dust gently with some cloth. Just remove it and it will be done. Thank you.